Welcome, engineers. Today we're exploring a KVA interactive calculator that solves a fundamental power systems problem, converting between apparent power, voltage, current, and power factor in both single-phase and three-phase systems. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode drop-down with 6 options. Calculate KVA single-phase, calculate KVA three-phase, calculate current single-phase, calculate current three-phase, calculate voltage single-phase, and calculate power factor. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate KVA three-phase. Below that, you'll find 5 input fields: voltage in volts, current in amperes, apparent power in KVA, power factor ranging from 0 to 1, and real power in kilowatts. The calculator intelligently enables only the fields needed for your selected calculation mode. Let's work through a practical example. Say we're sizing a transformer for a three-phase motor installation. We'll select Calculate KVA three-phase from the drop-down. Our line voltage is 480 volts, so we enter 480 in the voltage field. Our measured current draw is 125.5 amperes, entered in the current field. With a typical motor power factor of 0.85, we enter that in the power factor field. Click Calculate. The results section displays our apparent power, 104.2 kVA. This tells us we need at least a 125 kVA transformer to handle this load safely with appropriate margin. Each output represents critical design parameters. Apparent power in kVA determines equipment sizing. Real power in kilowatts represents actual energy consumption. Current values help size conductors and protection devices. Here's a crucial insight: never size equipment using real power alone. Always calculate apparent power to avoid undersizing transformers and conductors. Find the link in the description below.